Hello, it's Ralph Mahalik Jr., the low payment king at the Monroe Dodge Chrysler Jeep Ram Superstore. And we've got a rich tradition here over the 59 years here at the Superstore of giving away awards that are named after long-term team members. This particular award is named after Bud Spence, who was a parts manager for us for over 2 decades and did an outstanding job. I enjoyed working with Bud and proud to have this award named after him. Recent winners of this award, I want to touch base, are Terry Kaufman, Linda Whitpaw, Larry Ziske, Larry Richter, Greg Bondi, James Fritz Towers, Terry Kaufman, Tammy Arnold, Lynn Smith. Lynn Smith was an outstanding person in our office for many decades. Kim Rowe, Steve O'Brien, and again, Fritzy James Towers. So this is quite an award. This award is given for loyalty and years of service. And here's 2 gentlemen here that exemplify that award. These guys have touched a lot of customers and a lot of vehicles and a lot of parts over the last few decades. And this is my buddy Mark Ballard and Joe Vanwassehnova, and also Larry Richter, who couldn't be here today. He's photoed right there. He's in this photo. But I'm proud and excited to give this award to Mark and Joe. Mark, what do you got to say for us?
Oh, been here a long time. Great place to work. We've got lots of parts in stock for anything you need for your vehicle. If we don't have it, we'll do our best to get it for you.
And tell them all the different roles that you've had over the years here at the Superstore, which have been many.
Yep, I've worked in almost every department. I've been in service, in sales, and now I'm parts manager. Know a little bit of everything in the store.
Yep. Mark's helped with service, parts, new car sales, used car sales, marketing, online promotions over the years. He's done it all and doing a great job as our parts manager here at the Superstore. Joe, what do you got for us today, buddy?
Just running the body shop, Got a good body shop, good program going on.
Yep.
Pick a lot of cars.
And over the years, I've run commercials. If you hit a deer, bring it here. If you hit a truck, you're in luck. Come to the Monroe Dodge Collision Center. And sure as heck, last week I hit a deer. And Joe, I brought it here. It's right there. Get it fixed up, buddy. I don't hit too many deer in my life. And the good news was I slowed down and didn't hit this one too hard. It's still living as far as I know and ran away. But I definitely hit a deer and I brought it here. So come to the Monroe Dodge Collision Center so we can satisfy all your automotive needs in sales, service, parts, and body shop. We're proud and excited to be celebrating our 60th anniversary next year. So coming out and joining the fun for that. And again, we've won tons of awards because guys and gals like these guys have satisfied so many of our customers over the previous 6 decades. Come out and see us at the Monroe Dodge Chrysler Jeep Ram Superstore. We want to serve you more and save you more at the Monroe Superstore. God bless, good luck, we'll see you soon.